Welcome to the video on the licenses and subscriptions for the Potter IntelliView. Each computer running the IntelliView link requires a license. An IntelliView link connected to multiple panels would also require an additional subscription for each connected panel. IntelliView licenses are available in two different versions with a yearly subscription. The first license is the standard subscription. The standard license is free and only allows the user to view the system overview. The system overview simply shows what signals are active on a panel and does not display point information. The premium IntelliView link license allows the user to actually view the active signals, point information, and panel history. In addition, the premium license allows the user to control the panel to silence, reset, enable, disable, and view signals while performing a walk test on site. While a subscription or license is required for every computer running the IntelliView link, you can use one license to connect to multiple panels individually for walk test purposes. Meaning you could purchase one license, attach that to the IntelliView link on a laptop, and then take that laptop from site to site to perform walk tests on different panels. If a premium license is not renewed at the end of the subscription period, it will revert to a standard license.
For additional questions about the Potter product, please contact technical support at the phone number or email address shown on the screen. And as always, don't forget to follow us on social media.